This is KNWA News at 6.
Well, fantastic news, really, on the year-to-year plunge in drug overdose deaths. New tonight, a local woman shares her joy in this good news on the heels of the death of her own brother. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Doug Warner.
And I'm Allie Lynch. Tonight, we're learning that across the state, the amount of drug overdose deaths is decreasing by a wide margin. KNWA's Gabriella Phelan joins us now live in studio. And Gabriella, a new report released today shows the numbers, and they're the lowest they've been in years.
Doug and Allie, that's right. After 2020, the number of drug overdose deaths in Arkansas was steadily climbing, but now the CDC is reporting a nearly 26% decrease, and it's our local organizations that may be to thank for the decrease.
In March of 2022, CDC reports showed that the state of Arkansas saw an all-time high in drug overdose deaths. More than 600 lives were taken. But it's those numbers that keep people like Brittany Kelly motivated to do more.
If I can keep one sister from having to make the decisions, from having to go through the process that we went through, one family from having to do everything we did, that's all I need.
Kelly created a nonprofit called Northwest Arkansas Harm Reduction to help those stuck in the cycle of addiction after experiencing a loss of her own.
I discovered what harm reduction was in 2017 after I lost my brother to an overdose.
Kelly says over the years, the organization has handed out thousands of naloxone kits, saving hundreds of lives. But according to Kelly, there's still more work to be done.
It may look like 380 people on the outside that passed away and 380 people that are families that were affected. But then you've got to look too at the siblings that passed away and how many times a single family was impacted.
Kirk Lane, the director of a statewide organization called Arkansas Opioid Recovery Partnership, says he's always worked alongside those struggling with addiction, but in a much different capacity, law enforcement.
I worked death investigation and drug investigation and never really correlated the opioid epidemic. Honestly, about 15 years ago, I got embarrassed about it. And so I started studying it, and the more I started studying it, the more I got interested in trying to defeat it.
In the past 3 years, the organization that Lane is behind has handed out more than 100,000 doses of naloxone across the state.
But I think the fact that families and people started coming together, started embracing the use of naloxone, started talking and the concept of prevention, and I think it's going to take off, and I think we're going to trend. We got to keep trending downward for a while.
But just like Kelly, he says the fight is still not over.
But we can't get complacent from where we've been. We've got to make it so nobody dies of an overdose.
A decrease in overdose deaths is also being seen all across the nation, with the CDC reporting nearly 27%. Doug and Allie, back to you.
All right, Gabriella, thank you. To help combat overdose across the state, the Arkansas Opioid Recovery Partnership Naloxone Hero Program was recently expanded to include city and county first responder agencies and school systems. You can read right now at knwa.com how the program will help expand access to this life-saving drug.